Use the woolen thread, red color and white color using the crochet work. Starting chain lock, crochet work, red color. Next steps, petals, 15 chain locks, 15 chain locks. Next petals adding 1 hole, 5 times steps lock, petal shape, 1 hole, 5 times petal shape adding. Add the 5 times crochet work. Ending the lock 6 times and 7 the ending the finishing the lock. Single step finishing the lock. Finishing lock single. Second petal, single lock first and double lock, 2 step. Next continue the 3 step, 5 times. White thread edges adding, the woolen. White thread adding, starting white thread lock. Next 2 step red thread, white thread, white thread before red color, 2 step. Five times lock, red color, 2 step. Starting edges, white color thread, starting edges, white color. White color use just ending the line, ending petal line, white color use. Looking the rose color, white and red combination rose. Ending use the white color. Starting edge white color, starting 5 red petals. Next white color edges thread use. Red rose petals.